Sizotrenda. This we are cordially invited for a trip. God, I was to have fun field today. See you there. My goodness, I'm coming. For now, let's recap on your beautiful wins in the house. Oh, niyabala la imali zami. Into ekhatheleke kule nto abayibuka le nto ongozeka la. Ayi. Niwathitha lo video wami ngiwatholi mina ko TikTok uma ngiwafuna. I love South Africa. South Africa, we love you. Straight up the stairs, my brother. Hey, that's why I just mentioned. That successfully completed the race is Sweet Kuluba. Congratulations on being the first to bag the 5,000 rand that is up for grabs. Congratulations. Hey, congratulations by one name. It's like a 5,000 rand check. Sweet Kulu. I have a paid. Thank you. Hey, Sweet Kulu. Here, mother. Master Bride Challenge. Hey, good. Congratulations on securing yourself a 5,000 rand check. Congratulations, Team Purple. Season 5. How? Hey, you're doing two other than trend. What about my face? After Big Brother. Hey, man, yeah. Can't keep a good man down.
You can open.
Switch is invited to spend part of your day with them to have fun. I'm coming. Team Navy Blue with a touch of gold. What was it? Team. The capital mill road. Huh? You what tell them slave? Hey, Lindsay, man. Now no people in here for them. In Fekakuru, eh? Wow. Ngok valele camera nje ngesalwazi. Boss. Ay. Angiphi umuntu nginomona this time. Sizothola amandla later.
As always.
Okay, kusha ke lo Lindo. Assorted. Akusiyo assorted la ngo December la. Yalo ibox la.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yes. Huh? My goodness. All right. Yeah, you are fighting, eh? You are fighting. Maybe I'm going to tell you all the pizza. It's on Lingan. I'll keep it. Yeah, no, so I'm going to family only.
I just.
Equality. I know. Where? Too much late. Thank you. So much soup on oil. Yeah, but I call as one. I call a diesel for successful living one.
Akhona amathemba.
Yeah.
Akhona amathemba.
Akhona diesel for successful living. Spila on diesel. Customized from diesel. Akodwa bakuthi ngithanda ibhadi. Ngazi ke namhlanje ngathi ngizoba no live. Ngizonibonga kahle. Yabo?
All right. Shota one thing.
Yini? Ngaphansi kwa.
Here.
Oh. Ilokhuzana idayari. Selifuna amanye ama-diary session. Sala kanjani? Ngifuna amanye ama-diary session. So, get ready, sweet guru. Get ready, sweet guru. Ah! Ay, amavuni! Yazi file enamarandi. Yebo. Lena kambe lento yokucover i-license si-sentiment manini laminate imali laminated alpha hawe laminated man wayibona leyo nto elaminatiwe nami ngiqala na abona nje
work of art.
Ayiphuma eze.
Laminated.
Ayiphuma. Ngiyise museum. Kaswit kulo. Ayinto hector pictures in museum. Benza umlando laba nami ngoyivule yabo kodwa. Hayi no.
Isona hlaka kanjani
Lezo
phethe uwe?
lahleke eboxini. Phela ngihambi ngedwa.
Ngicela ukuphathela.
Ngaphatha la.
Baletha la nami
Phatha
la ngiyacela la.
Hayi la phatha umqwebu.
Amabhox
Yeah, yomqwebu uyamfanele.
awu ufanele mina.
Let me
Phatha
focus
umqwebu.
here.
Nawe uphatha umqwebu. Kusho nje nala ngiyovula le mali ayisebenzi. Izoya i-Sweet Groove Museum njengo Hector Peterson. Uhlawumlando South Africa. Indaba yawo wonke umuntu. Yabona ukuthi le i-diary kodwa manje kambe obani abantu abaphethe imali ukushesha diary. So ngizoyifihla la ngifake lezo sishaya imovie yokufinding shesha.
Shy challenge.
Challenge.
Yeah. Oyitholayo.
Anifayile le challenge bathi phezulu.
Hi guys, so I'm bringing you on a tour because I'm about to show you my new apartment. So this is the chair that I've gotten from my fan Millie. Moves around. Then I've got wooden floors. Okay. And a mirror where I'll be looking at myself. And I bought these shoes, like Crocs. And then I've got another couch. This couch is very comfortable. It's fit for one, not two or three or four. Then there's some reading material, some flowers, you know. And then as we come along, some place for content. It's not very comfortable, but the main aim is the pictures. Yeah, it's just the setup, and there's like candles, pictures, you know. Come and see my double washing machine. Come on. Two. You know what I'm saying? And then come. Come and see the kitchen. Gas stove. Because we don't move with electricity in South Africa. Load shedding vibes and stuff. Then you've got a speaker if you want to make a noise. And then this part. This is where I fell in love. And then we've got the TV. So this TV only comes out with your imagination. If you think about it hard enough, you'll see it. And then it's got a sound bar. Peace out.
Side by side, we might lose.